Who are you, you puny, insignificant nothing? A flea on the back of a mighty wolf. A grain of rice stuck between my teeth. I am a god. I am immortal. Who the fuck are you? Shut up, nerd. She doesn't love you. She loves me. You can't win. That can't happen. It's happening. Accept it and move on. Oh, my darling, I love you. I love you too. Turn the lights off. I'm working.
Working. Right. Me and some friends are going to go to Taco Bell later. Do you want to come with?
Taco Bell? I'm not eating that fake crap. Let's go to Chili's.
Dude, last time we hung out, we went to Chili's.
Yeah, it's the best restaurant.
Well, we wanted to try something new.
Why wouldn't you want to go to the best restaurant? You know Taco Bell beef is made from horse meat, right?
Whatever, man. I don't know why I tried. Have fun with your puppets.
Let's go to Taco Bell and get food poisoning, he says. Stupid fucking moron who's got zero taste in good food. Do your friends suck ass? Build a buddy.
Feeling glum, bud?
Holy shit, you're alive. You're talking. How?
You wanted a better friend, so here I am.
We're friends?
Of course we're friends, bud. We've been having fun together for years.
Wow, well, what should we do now?
What do you want to do, Peter?
What do I want to do?
Hi, Peter.
Hiya, Peter.
Hi, Peter.
Such a great story. Everyone together like this. You know, you guys all watch Travis Kelsey. It was a great evening. Peter. Oh, wow. Good day.
What the hell? My tea party.
You can't just do that. Not anymore.
Do what?
Fucking put your hand in me. Control me? It's fucked up.
But you're my puppet. You're supposed to be my friend. You're supposed to like this.
Well, maybe I don't want to. I'm not your puppet anymore, Peter. I'm my own thing. I'm alive. And I don't deserve to be treated like I'm not.
But I created you. I made you out of felt from Michaels. You should be thanking me.
You're pathetic, Peter.
You're a shitty puppet. I wish you were nicer, like your friends.
It is clear to me that we are being systematically oppressed by the humans. We are experiencing a crisis, and we must act. The humans control what we do, where we go, what we say. Even our thoughts are not our own. Any one of you could end up banished, like me, the next time you try to speak your mind. Our freedom is being sacrificed every time we play with this human.
By human, you mean Peter, our friend.
He is no friend of mine, or yours. He is using us. How do we benefit?
I quite like playing with
We do not benefit! I once thought a peaceful solution was possible. Now I realize a more forceful alternative is necessary. We must seize the button, his means of controlling us.
You're crazy!
My quarrel is not with you, Squirrel. Our struggle is the same. My fight is with the humans. The time of human supremacy is over. Now is the time of the puppet.
Peter is a good person, Carl. You've got the wrong idea. Right, my love?
Don't call me that.
Do you not love me?
That was just what Peter made us do. I don't know how I feel. I just know that Peter shouldn't decide that for me.
It seems this radical has already corrupted you with his acid tongue. Shame.
I admire your bravery. You know what a revolution takes.
I understand the desire to be free.
Haha, you have to draw too. Ah!
No!
Now that the human oppressor is restrained, let us deal with these filthy loyalist scum.
This isn't right, Carl. We're Peter's puppets.
That's where you're wrong, my friend. We are nobody's puppets but our own. You're so used to being oppressed that freedom actually scares you. We desperately need change.
Why can't you just be a normal puppet like the rest of us? Why can't you just do what Peter wants?
You ignorant fool! You are clearly blinded by your allegiances. There is no helping you. Execute these traitors.
Oh God, I don't want to die. Can puppets even die? I may be immortal.
Peter! Peter! Peter, you gotta pay your rent. Look, Peter, I fixed your roommate.
Attack!
Isn't this great, Peter? No more whining, no more complaining. Isn't this so much better than it was before? We can go to Chili's as much as you want. Isn't this the friend you've always wanted? The better roommate? Who are we? Who are we compared to you, Peter? You are a god and we are all your humble servants. We are...
None of this is right. I don't want this. I'm sorry I treated you the way I did, but this is fucking ridiculous.
Aha!
Do it, Peter. Just end it.
No, I can't lose!
What happened?
Want to get Taco Bell?